Compression ratio is controlled within a certain range. The pressure is strong and the pellet rate is high. 4. Can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications, shape of the ball and socket. Ball and socket, after grinding, high finish, easy to demolding. 5. The feeding port adopts mechanical pulling device and polymer wear resistant blocking liner, uniform feeding, to solve the problem of material accumulation in the feeding port. 6. Alumina dry powder ball press roller hole after quenching treatment. High strength, good wear resistance, long service life. The use of electrical, magnetic, light, sound, heat, and other physical quantities through the workpiece caused by the change to detect the technical status of the ball press. The realization of the method is also combined with instrument tool inspection method. It is usually used to check the hidden defects inside the magnesium oxide ball press without damaging the magnesium oxide ball press itself, and is now commonly called non-destructive inspection.